Hey there, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. I recently had an opportunity to sit down with James and Mason of Crawl Space Ninja of Charlotte, North Carolina. We talked about how effective is soda blasting at removing mold. We've got some great video and pictures to show you all about the effectiveness of soda blasting at removing mold from crawl spaces as well as log cabins. We hope you like this information, and make sure you stay tuned to the end where I'm going to put a link to the full video of the interview. James, how effective is soda blasting at removing mold?
It's the best process I've ever seen, or the best process I know of at removing mold growth from a surface. So, we work with houses, some are brand new. Like I've worked under a new construction home that developed mold while it's being built. And, obviously it removes mold there really well. But I'm really impressed whenever we work under houses that are 100 years old. And I mean, when you see that mold being stripped away and how that wood looks, that old growth wood after we're done, it's really remarkable. So it's the best process I know of. I've researched.
Very good. Mason, you got anything to add about that?
Yeah, just reiterating what James said, I would compare it to if you have a very dirty concrete surface and you pressure wash it. Just going from seeing that dark concrete to light concrete, it's the same thing with the wood. Like James said, when you have an old house, that is exacerbated and it is like night and day. And it's honestly satisfying. The soda blaster is just so effective at taking mold off, regardless of how old or how heavy or how present it is.
That's a great analogy. The pressure washing analogy is fantastic. So good.
Yeah. Well, I definitely have a video or two in my camera roll of us we did a house one time, and we also ended up doing soda blasting on the joists of his porch because all of the floor and the wood was taken up. They were just renovating the whole entire house. So we were able to soda blast outside, and it was easier to get a video. So my guys got a video, and it's like you're pressure washing the wood, but we do it with soda and it remediates the mold. It's night and day.
Yeah, one of the other things, I don't know if you all have had any experience with this, but we got a lot of log cabins in the Smokies, and I know Paul has done this up in Delaware. You can soda blast the outside of log cabins, especially if they've gotten all mossy. Because usually these cabins are in the woods and it's shaded and damp and mossy, and if you want to restain your cabin. So soda is very good, and it doesn't leach. Like if you were to pressure wash that cabin with water, you're forcing moisture into that wood that could grow mold later. It's okay to pressure wash concrete, but I certainly wouldn't want to use that on wood a whole lot, because then you're just forcing that water into the grain. So that's where soda blasting is really good. By the time the soda comes out the end of that nozzle, it's almost a powder. It's so dry. So it's a very good alternative to a wet form of removing staining.